My name is A.S. Ganesh. I am the Managing Director of Smart Kids Educate India Private Limited, Hyderabad.
Tell us about your institute, the work which you are doing, and how long you have been there in India.
We are into franchising of preschools. We have started this company in the year January 2008. In the first year, we had 8 centers, and as on date, we have 139 branches spread across south, west, east, and the north. We are predominantly present in the south in all the states. In the west, we are present in Maharashtra and Gujarat. In the east, Orissa and Bihar, and in the north, in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And this year, we are focusing in the north to be present in all the states.
And how do you analyze the overall preschool scenario, as it is a smaller section of the overall education sector?
Yeah, definitely preschool is a very small section of the overall education, but there is a very huge scope in preschool. As per 2012 data, only 1.1% of preschool going children go to preschool. Therefore, there is a lot of scope in this industry, and at the same time, lot of awareness needs to be given to the parents, so that the importance of going to the preschool is known to the parents. However, in the metros, there is severe competition, even though there is less awareness about the preschool, but in metros there is good competition, and you find lot of preschools, organized preschools and unorganized preschools.
What do you teach in preschool which can enhance the ability of the student, and which can boost them in their overall development throughout their career?
We have designed the curriculum 100% in-house. We have gone through the syllabus of first standard, ICSE, CBSE and state board syllabus. Based on the first standard syllabus, we have designed the curriculum backwards. That is for senior KG, and then the lower kindergarten, then nursery, then playgroup. That is how we have designed, and a lot of learning happens in the preschool. The children's soft skills and the emotional and development takes place.
And what are the challenges, any kind of challenges or hurdles you faced while you started your journey in this education sector?
Yeah, definitely there are challenges from the unorganized sector. Unorganized sector, the competition is more and the number is more, and the one of the biggest challenge what we face is the property, getting the leased accommodation for the preschool. The rentals are pretty high, and the profitability comes down because of the high rentals. And secondly, the getting the quality teachers is again the biggest challenge. Keeping this in mind, we have launched the All India Early Childhood Education and Care to train the teachers, in-house teachers, so that we can feed the teachers to our existing preschools.
Tell us about your collaboration and tie-ups. You have any kind of collaboration tie-ups?
Don't have any collaboration.
So the technology, the kind of space of art which you are giving, providing, or the infrastructure, so you are doing it on your own?
Yeah, we are doing it on our own, and we follow a bit of Waldorf and Montessori methodology. It's a combination of both, and also we do teach through the books, and writing part is there. Mostly in Montessori and Waldorf, very little writing is there. But we have a writing part, and as I mentioned earlier, keeping in mind the requirement of the first standard, we have designed our curriculum backwards.
And how was your overall experience in the summit so far?
It was very interesting, and we could learn a lot, and we could share a lot of opinion from the competitors who had been working along with us. We had very positive discussions along with them.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a pleasure having word with you.